Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so we're just this daily chart. We're just in this little consolidation pattern, here to here, just kind of grinding in and around the 9-day, in and around 4,100, waiting for the next leg of this tape, whether that's up or down. It's in a wide enough range. It's a nice trading tape during portions of yesterday. Again, you know, the bears get down and around that 9-day. You can see it here on the hourly chart, and they just have so much trouble converting. They've got another opportunity today. Yesterday, they had trouble with the round number. They had trouble with weekly pivot. They're continuing to have trouble with weekly pivot for now. Right now, we're jammed between weekly pivot and the 9-day. So you had retail sales. Empire Manufacturing came out 8:30. They jammed it down. Touched 41.16, made the overnight low there, rallied it up towards 35.36. Now we're back down to 34. So it's been really whippy. And in my mind, whippy is always indecisive. Neither side really has the confidence to finish. Certainly the bulls have. They just don't really have anything as they get up towards 4,200, and the bears, you know, they lose their nerve anywhere in and around 4,100 to the weekly pivot. And so what do we end up with? A larger consolidation pattern on the daily. But there is plenty of room to make your handles if you just follow price and don't get dug in about, well, my big picture view is this, and so I'm only doing this and that. Look, you're a trader, okay? You're a trader. I've been doing this, you know, I don't know, not as long as some, but we're coming into around 15 years here. And, you know, it's just one of these things where if you stop trying to prove to everybody how right you are and instead focus on trying to trade price and respect risk, what you'll find is you'll find yourself on the correct side of things much more often, and you don't have to sit around and explain to people why you're right, even though you're not making any handles. And, you know, you end up not having to sit out of the market unnecessarily because the market is not conforming to your thesis, and you just can't bring yourself to buy it, or you just can't bring yourself to sell it, because the market should be doing ABC. When price doesn't feel like doing ABC, it feels like doing DEF. And your trading life becomes a lot easier, and you have a lot better chance of being around for 15 years or longer if you do DEF instead of banging your head into a wall trying to do ABC. So, do we have some massive rally from here? I don't know. Do we have some massive move to the downside from here? I don't know. And anybody that tells you that they do know, you need to run far away fast, because they don't know. They just have a theory. Theories don't grow your account. Price, risk, reward, consistency grows your account. That's what grows your account. You know, 4 days of good stuff and then 1 day of being stubborn and giving the 4 days back, that doesn't grow your account. Consistency grows your account. So as far as numbers today go, you got everything jammed up between 29 and 34. You've got volume weighted average price, 5-minute mid-band, the 9-day, proprietary moving average, hourly mid. It's all slammed between 29 and 34. So I would expect a major battle. They're going to ring the bell in about 20 minutes in and around that area. Convert that area, you can win the day. On the upside, bulls need to deal with 42. Downside, bears need to deal with weekly pivot at 16. That's the sandbox. That is the sandbox. Get up and out of there. There's a lot of handles on the other side, whether it's up or down for either side. But it's that little box, larger box, try to win that. Why? Because we're consolidating. Just accept it. We are consolidating. It is what it is. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come learn how to be consistent. Be flexible, be consistent, grow your account. All right, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon.